do you have any tricks to understanding word math problems?
Oh, well, I definitely have some tricks. It kind of depends on what the problem is. The biggest key to it is looking for kind of keywords. And I'm going to pull up a list to see, to show you some keywords of what to look for to try to figure out what it is that question is asking. And that's really probably the first thing that you should do whenever you're reading a math problem and you're trying to figure out what to do is ask yourself, what is this asking me to do? What is this asking me to find out? And so once you go from there, a lot of times that might even answer the question of where do I start. But I'm going to pull up some keywords and phrases that can give you some big clues in order to tell you what it is that you are going to do. So if you cut to my screen, I've got some words up on there. So addition words are things like obviously add, but then all together, if they're asking you to find a total of something or a sum or in all, these are all things that typically mean that you're going to add. When it comes to subtracting, difference is the biggest. If you're finding how much more something is than the other thing, how much is left, how much remains, or how many more, or how far is it between these two things, then subtraction is usually the case. A lot of times with multiplication, you can see on my screen that if you are doing something multiple times, or if you are doing a rate, a lot of time it could be multiplication. Division, the big keyword with division is each. So if you're trying to find something for one thing or for each, so how much does each cost, that would be division. But keywords is also a big thing to know whenever you're working on word problems, is to figure out, well, what is it asking me? A lot of times it is just decoding and translating the English words into math words. So hope that helps a little bit. Math word problems can definitely be tricky, for sure.